Hey guys, I was just helping someone out in the high level community and I thought I'd bring it to FG. It's really cool. So the question was, how do you redirect into a 404? So if you type in a path that doesn't exist for a funnel, normally like in other platforms like ClickFunnels and others, there's a way to specify a 404 page. So you can actually go to a 404 page that has, different links and different things on it, or you can have it redirect to your home page. Or the first step in your funnel. So in FG, there's not a way to do it. So my workaround is this, and I've gone through and tested it. So this is just a quick mock-up funnel. So, just 3 steps. And I've got my default page going to order form. So whenever I type in this portion of the domain, it should go there. I'll show you what I've got. So let me go back to page rules. I need to turn this guy back on. All right, so let me first test this a little bit more. So if I just type in the domain itself, it should take me to the first step, and it does. Okay, beautiful. Now, if let's say in my funnel steps, I've got my first step is order form / order form. Second step is /OTO, and then my confirmation is /confirmation. So what would, if someone were to go in and type in some other path that I do not include in my steps, then it'll just go to a 404, like a generic blank screen, like it won't take you anywhere unless you define it someplace. So since there's not a way to do it in FGF or Go High Level, you'll have to configure that inside of page rules, inside of Cloudflare. So what you'll need to do is go into rules and go to transform rules. And you can create one rewrite pattern. So when you go into it, just click create transform rule, give it a name, whatever the name is. And what you'll do is in this select field, go down to the URI path. So the URI path is everything after the slash, or including the slash after, minus any question mark data. So that's the query data. So URI path is the field selector. The operation would be does not contain. And so in the value field, put /order form. So you want to include all of the paths that exist in your funnel and stack it with the and. So go down to URI path again. So I'm going to add all of those. Does not contain /OTO and URI path does not contain confirmation. All right. So it includes all of those. So if that is not there in the path, I want it to rewrite to a static page of order form. I want it to go to my first step, or if you truly had a 404 page, you could call it, 404 page, but this 404 page path would have to be included in a step or in your website steps, right? But in my case, I just wanted to go to order form and query. You just leave that set to preserve and then click deploy. And that's essentially what I've done with that first rule right here. It's the exact same. So what I'll do is go back out here, and let's say that I type in something along the lines of, whatever. It'll go back to my 404 or to my order form always. But if I actually type in a real path, OTO, it'll take me to my OTO page. Or if I type in /confirmation, it takes me to my confirmation. So that's one workaround to make your 404 pages work. So let me know if you got questions.